Contains flashing lights.
Bikini Bottom needs you. This news for today is how to create Patrick Star's house today, and you can follow along with the steps that are on screen later. But first, take it away, narrator.
Welcome aboard to your trick that you can make. I'm your host narrator. While Patrick is secretly running through our explanations, I am doing.
Oh, who said that?
Anyways, today is your lucky day.
My lucky day.
You'll be creating his house.
Whose house are you creating?
Patrick's house.
Oh man, what a loser.
Never mind. Anyways, let's start off with the base. On screen you'll need a styrofoam bowl, a bowl to put paint on, a paintbrush, and different kinds of brown paint. I don't recommend using 3, but you can try. Step 1. Start by opening the cap of a paint bottle, then squeezing the paint into the bowl until it's perfect for you to stir. After you're done with the first one, do the same with the other 2 until it's perfect for you to stir too. Next, stir all the paint real good. Mix, mix, mix. After mixing, it is supposed to look golden as beauty. Third step. Use your paintbrush and the paint to paint the styrofoam bowl. While you're making your creation or watching this tutorial, let's do a little quiz.
Did someone say pop quiz?
Question 1. Why did the chicken cross the road? You have 15 seconds to answer.
Let's see. This is super easy, but I do not know them answer thug. I know the answer. To get to the other side.
The correct answer is to get to the other side.
Yes, Rachel goes for getting the right answer. So let's get back to the tutorial so we can wait.
For 1 hour to finish drying.
After 1 hour of drying, let's flip the bowl upside down.
Wait, were we flipping this upside down?
The reason why you need to flip the bowl upside down is to do our next step. Step 4. Take your paintbrush and your paint again to paint the inside of the bowl. And guess what? It's time for another quiz.
Of course! I love pop quizzes!
Question 2. What's better than 24? 15 seconds on the clock.
This is my chance to get the answer right. Thanks to SpongeBob for giving me the answer. Let's see, 5 times 5 equals... my answer is 25.
Patrick can give you the answer.
Me give the answer to you. Alright, the correct answer is 25.
Congratulations, you got the answer right, some of you. Again, let's wait.
For 1 hour to finish drying again.
That means that after drying, we're going to make the last part of the rock. Adding the following. Don't forget to wash your hands after painting the bowl. It's super important for our final creation. All you need is the yellow pipe cleaners, something that you can poke holes, and scissors. Step 5. Start using one of your pipe cleaners and take one of the ends and shape it like an arrow. I recommend helping with an adult to see what it looks like on the picture that's on screen right now. See? Take another pipe cleaner and use this for the lines that are on the arrow. After making the lines, cut off the extra parts and use it just in case. Step 8. Ask an adult for help with the poking part. Then, start putting the arrow in the poking area so it stays in place. Once you've finished all the steps, you get to keep your creation. Congratulations! You created Patrick's house. Let's see how Patrick thinks of this one.
What a beautiful day.
Hey Patrick,
Oh, what is that?
your new house.
Oh, thanks. By the way, is there something inside?
Nope,
Is that true?
nothing inside.
Are you sure?
I trust you.
I think you were trying to trick me something stupidly. Tell me the truth now.
Okay, stop. There is something inside of your house.
Oh, barnacles. Who's in there?
I don't know who's in there, but trying pushing it all.
Oh, well.
I think Patrick won't notice that I'm in there. I heard he doesn't push this. What's that now?
Nope. No one is in there. Hey, what's that? Squidward?
Hi, Patrick.
Yes!
How did you know that I'm hiding on that rock?
What rock?
This rock.
Oh, the narrator told me to do it.
What narrator?
This narrator.
Oh no. A floating hand.
No, I am the narrator, or the creator of SpongeBob SquarePants fan and series.
What series?
This series. Otherwise, I'll create your house later.
Wow, that is great. See you. Can I?
See you tonight. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Hey, Patrick, wanna go out for some chat?
Yes!
Let's go.